This is the viral question on internet that many do wrong. 9 divided 3 parenthesis 6 minus 3. How do you solve this? Now, as per PEMDAS, we first solve parenthesis, then we solve exponent, then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we have no exponent, we have parenthesis, we have here subtraction. So first we will solve parenthesis. So 9 divided 3, 6 minus 3 is 3. Now the first step where students do mistake is that they write 3 like this, 6 minus 3 is 3, and then they write 3 like this because here we have no sign. Now this means it is multiplication 3 times 3. Now if you treat it like multiplication, then we have 9 divided 3 times 3, and you follow PEMDAS, then you do multiplication first. So it will be 9 divided 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided 9 is 1. Then you will get 9 as the answer. But 9 is not the correct answer because we cannot do multiplication first here because this multiplication division, they are grouped together, they have equal priority. We solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Therefore, here from left to right we have division first, so we will need to do this division first. 9 divided by 3 is 3, then 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 is the correct answer. Another point of mistake that students do is that you treat this bracket as a parenthesis, and since parentheses have precedence over multiplication division, that's why you do this multiplication first. But remember that writing like this doesn't mean that this is a parenthesis unless there is another number and a sign within this parenthesis, like here 6 minus 3. It is not an operation, it's just a way of writing. When there is no sign here, it means here we have multiplication. So instead of multiplication, we are writing like this, giving a bracket here. So instead of giving a bracket, we can write it like this and then follow this left to right rule. Then we will do no mistake. What is your answer, 1 or 9? Let me know in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.